good, universe? Welcome to Adventure 18 of FADAYZ Designs. Today I am mad hyped because I have reprints to make. This is hoodies from, what is it? CSDS hoodies. Mad hyped because I got a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is not to show you what comes out of a box or a box opening or any of that stuff. It's just to motivate and inspire any of you guys who want to do something. You gotta start somewhere. The journey of 1,000 miles start with the first step. That's Lao Tzu, and I believe in that. Never waver from what it is you love, no matter what anybody says. With that being said, moving on. First, jogging pants. These jogging pants are gonna be for CSDS. I cannot wait to make these jogging pants. Clearly, they are not mine. I would not be able to fit in these jogging pants. And then here are some extra shirts. Good looks, homie, for putting these shirts in the box. Definitely appreciate that. And then next up, we have something that's been sitting on my desk for a minute. Yeah, red water-based paint. I'm looking to get into CMYK prints. You'll see what that means soon. I gave myself a month from yesterday to make it happen. And then we have, I don't even know what this is. Oh, word. Okay, so this is more jogging pants from that order that I'm gonna be doing my first jogging pants run. Yeah! And it's gonna be, I'll just put these in here. It's gonna be on a new jogging pants palette that I got. You probably can't see me in this video, but I told myself that I'm just gonna run it, and however it comes out, it comes out. And then we have, I believe these are screens. I would love to know what you guys are up to, what it is you're doing. No matter what somebody said, it was impossible, you can't do it, it costs too much money, just get a job, it's safer, all that good stuff, yada yada yada. I want to know what it is that you continue to press forward on, even though you're not getting a lot of support, even though people don't believe, even though it hasn't been done yet. These screens right here, I believe, are 110s, which means that you could do a whole bunch of different art. You just can't do fine art. Move this out of the way. Ugh. And if you just want to drop that thing that you're doing in the comment section, that would be tight. And then I'll probably make a video on the reply of what it is that you dropped in the comment section. And also, if you guys jump in the comment section and drop something, there's going to be a raffle for any comments past 33. So if there's 33 plus comments, I'll do a raffle every single time. And this right here, this is one of the reasons why I was so hyped about making this video. Ugh, stuff's gonna get all over the place. This right here, if you can see it, if I did the second camera right, if you can see that, that is my new emulsion. This is how you burn the screens onto this is how you burn the art onto the screens. I'm so hyped I can't even talk right now. But good looks, Justin, for pointing me out to this. Definitely appreciate it. Had no idea what to get for the next one. Oh, and then here, here is the max. This is what I was hyped about. This is why I hit record. I just wanted to, I wanted to remember this moment. Alright, whatever. I wanted to remember this moment for all time. I'm just having fun. So if you don't want to watch the rest of this video, don't. But this right here, this palette right here, Ninja, this palette right here. Wow, can't even get this thing out. is a 20 by 24 pallet. As you can see, it'll fit an entire shirt. I look forward to making a full print shirt. I don't think it'll fit on a small and a medium, probably a large and extra large, but this is a gigantic screen. So, good looks for watching this video. I mean it. If you guys have something that you really love doing, it's just not getting the momentum and the support that you expected to get from your surrounding people, your community, your town, your city, your state, your country, but you still continue to do it. That means that it's your calling, and no matter what, you should keep pressing forward. No matter what, you should keep pressing forward. If you feel it, it's your calling, no matter what anybody says. So stick to it, and if you want to drop it in the comments, do that. And I'm definitely gonna catch up on the replies. My bad, guys. I just been in here working things out, making it happen. Anyway, if you guys know anybody who want to get a shirt pressed or jogging pants now, whatever else, let me know. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek.